Little bird. Little bird came out of her nest. She flapped her wings, and then she jumped. Little bird flapped and flapped her wings. Little bird was flying. Up and up little bird flew. She flew away from her nest. She flew and flew. She flew far. Little bird flew to a berry tree. She ate a red berry. Yum! Little bird flew to a puddle. She drank from the cool blue puddle. Yum! It was time to go home. Little bird flew and flew, but she did not see her tree. Little bird was lost. "Can you help me find my nest?" said little bird. "Come with me, I will help you," said the fox. "Little bird, do not go with that fox," said Mama Bird. Little bird did not go with the fox. She flew to Mama Bird. "I flew too far. I got lost," said little bird. "Yes, little bird. One day you can fly far, but not yet," said Mama Bird. Little bird and Mama Bird flew home. Little bird was happy to be back in the nest.